Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. So today is Monday 18th of November, and after today's market session we are here for analyzing tomorrow's market action. Tomorrow is a Tuesday 19th of November, and again this is going to be a truncated week. We have a assembly elections in Maharashtra on 20th of November, that is Wednesday. So tomorrow will be trading session, and then immediately the next session will be on Thursday. Okay. So very lukewarm kind of a market. So मज़ा नहीं आया मतलब उतना. Right now we are just waiting patiently and looking at if the market is going to show us some kind of a strength. So that is not happening yet, and categorically I had shared a message stating that you don't need to be participant unless the market is not doing something spectacular, isn't it? So Monday morning, today's message is something like Monday 15th of November, Nifty range may be 23,200 to 24,200. Bank Nifty range may be 49,500 to 52,000. First half of this week likely to be volatile. वैसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है. It is in fact very dull. I will avoid timing the bottom for market as it creates a bias. For intraday trades, trend is good enough. So the trend is not visible yet. So I have not created any kind of a trade so far. Nifty support may be at around 23,224 dash 23,338. Now this 23,338 is a exit pole high, right? So 23,338, we are very close to this level, 23,338, and today's low is likely 23,350, right? So we are very close to this level, like 10-12 points difference is there. On the other hand, Bank Nifty is kind of, it has already printed a low which is on Wednesday, and from there it is holding the levels. Now see, understand, time and again I keep on talking about that Bank Nifty is outperformer at this particular time. So the very reason I am saying Bank Nifty is outperformer is because so this is a Wednesday's action. So whatever low that is printed on Wednesday, we are still within that low, and that low is holding. So this becomes an important phenomenon. At the same time, Nifty every day is printing new low. So we are very close to this 23,337. This is the level I'm talking about. And also more importantly, we should be able to see some bounce from here. But maybe it is also possible that again tomorrow it might open somewhere after opening, and if this low is holding, then and only. But ideally we should get to see some fireworks now. I mean, there has to be some bullish move. Otherwise, you know what will happen? If Nifty fails to launch from here, if Nifty fails to rise rapidly from here, then again probably we are going to go below these levels. And if we go sub 23,000, then it is going to be a worrisome situation, because you know what has happened since the top that has been in place on 27th of September, Nifty has not shown any kind of a meaningful retracement level. So I am just expecting, hoping that from this whatever fall that we have seen, there will be a bounce maybe up till this 24,270 level, and from there again the next leg of fall might again come. But now we have to take one day at a time. Unless and until the base is being confirmed, we cannot talk about let's say what is going to happen after 1 month or so. The task at hand is what is going to happen tomorrow. That's the primary thing. So one of the day, again tomorrow's day or Thursday's day, one of these 2 days are likely to be trending. My expectation is tomorrow likely to be trending day. If that happens, then the Fin Nifty traders, you will make money. Last expiry for Fin Nifty tomorrow. Also, it will be a good opportunity to make money in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, right? So that way you can look at it. Currently Bank Nifty daily chart, you can see that the inverted hammer was there first candle, and the second today's candle is a hammer kind of a candle that has been printed. Good news is that Reliance recovered today, so that might provide some kind of a strength to Nifty, right? HDFC Bank was strong, but towards the end it gave up all the gains. I think it was 1.4% up, and then towards the end it was just 0.7% up. So nothing much, not significant. Let's go to Nifty chart, individual chart. Now Nifty, our expectation is it should just go down up till probably this 23,200 odd level, and from there we should be able to see some kind of a sharp bounce. So what has happened in Nifty? So Wednesday's action, then Thursday's action and today's action, it is all just kind of a sluggish kind of a move that is taking place. Now after this sluggish move, we need something that is we can say euphoric as compared to this particular move. It has to be euphoric, but more than this kind of a rally. It has to be faster, quicker even than this kind of a rally. So that action we are expecting tomorrow to happen. And also keep in mind the levels that we have discussed. There are two levels, 23,224 and 23,338. You can just mark these levels on your chart, and these are the important support levels, and from there ideally Nifty should bounce if at all it is going below this. Otherwise it has to bounce from these levels only. Whatever it is, it will be clear by tomorrow is what my understanding is. Typically what happens now, there is a momentum on the downside. So downside momentum is very strong, very fast, very quick. And in such scenarios, whenever we see that now that momentum has to stop and has to reverse, so it will take some time. That fall will keep on happening, and then from those levels, whenever it reverses, it will just shoot up like anything. That is what my expectation is. Let's see if that happens tomorrow. And if that happens tomorrow, my expectation initially would be to reach to this target of 23,800 odd level. So 23,800 will be a very good target for us. And unless and until we see some kind of momentum, right now let us not talk about targets. Let it show some kind of a recovery. This first target is good enough, about 350 odd points from the current price. So let's look at the price action and let price action confirm that the trend is reversing, and then and only then it makes sense to analyze further. So as I said, I'm not rushing to pronounce that this is the bottom has been placed, and at a certain time the bottom has been placed, or on certain day the bottom will get placed. There is no need to do some prophecy. At the right time you will get your opportunity, and that opportunity will give you a good trade which will be able to, where you will be able to make good money or good reward. So again, in case of Bank Nifty, it is just consolidating sideways rut, but whatever sideways thing is happening now, it should just break out in one direction, and if it breaks out in one direction now, then my expectation is that 500-600 points, or like 500-600 or maybe 700-800 points in one single candle of 1 hourly candle we should be able to see. See, this was one candle wherein we saw about 1000 points roughly. So मोटा मोटी ऐसा एक कैंडल आना चाहिए, या एटलीस्ट ऐसा एक कैंडल आना चाहिए अवर्ली टाइम फ्रेम पे, ऐसा एक्सपेक्टेशन. दिस ऑल्सो गुड, 1% कैंडल 554 points, so that is good enough. In current scenario 1% will be around 500 points, 503 points. So we welcome that kind of a move, also is welcome. And HDFC is seeing supportive. ICICI Bank is lacking currently, so that can be one of the reasons. So all these things should align, and then it should just blast in an upwardly manner. That is something that we can see. Another most important thing is, on the basis of OI, I had mentioned about a 55,000 as a target. So that OI now it is changing. So typically today is 18th. So typically up till 20th or 21st, 20th is a holiday. So up till 21st, I think we'll get a clarity if that bullish move happens in next couple of days, like tomorrow or day after tomorrow, tomorrow or on Thursday. In that case, we'll be able to see if there is an unwinding in that put option, 55,000 put for November. And if the same position get built on the next monthly contract, then we can expect that these targets will get completed. But I'll keep you posted. Right now it is still dicey, still indices to take off, and that is the reason we cannot talk about something which is 5,000 points away from the current level. So let's wait and watch. Let's wait for a couple of days, and I think by 21st or 22nd we'll get a clarity on these things. So right now again, the target for even for Bank Nifty, the target is going to be this. We had calculated this target to 50% level of the total fall, right? So that level comes to somewhere around here. Okay, so 51,196 will be our target. So that's another, let's say 700-800 points from the current level. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting in this particular next couple of days, 2 to 3 days. And once this target is reached, then we'll look for the further targets. That's it from me for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm signing off.